guys, me and TJ here doing a mukbang. I don't know why I'm doing this mukbang. I just feel like today was a good day. So, put in the tea. McDonald's tea. Good. While I'm gonna get my plates, be liking and subscribe button. A 10-piece nugget juice. Let's start. It's just so good. And okay, stop. Pause. It's so good. Probably guys. My second nugget. Ready to roll. I'm sorry, guys. This is my longest video ever. Chronology. Crazy. That's my video. My second nugget. I mean, I finished the whole box of 10 nuggets. y'all. There's no chicken right here. Go ahead, get it. So guys, this channel is all about to me growing up through the channel. So that happens a lot. I already hit my 100 L's. And yeah! What the fuck was my live stream?
You weren't even going live.
So,
You were
holler at me.
You were just.
Subscribe to my channel if you don't mind.
That's not how you go live.
Like the live and do what the live do.
Tell somebody to like your live.
Like my live.
That live ain't even getting no watches.
It's my live.
Hey, live.
This is gonna be a real video. Once I finish with my mukbang. You want a mukbang with me?
No.
You want mukbang with me? Okay, bye, nigger. Sorry y'all for the bad fucking language. Shit. Cause I'm a great son. So, Dad, I know you're gonna be watching over me, Daddy. I love you, Dad. Yeah. Go to McDonald's. So y'all, this mukbang we're going to do right now. What? It's yours. I'm not gonna play that simple. What, girl? Don't mind this. I mean, my I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So, like the live, share the live, do what the live do. Today, I had my phone out of school. I just going to my channel, and my video got 99 subscribers. In my channel, y'all. So go check out my channel. And if I ever go live, I want to see you up in there. Bye, y'all. Have a good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the big buggers bite.